Hello everyone and welcome back again to the CRM Carpenter tutorial series. So today in this video I will teach you how we can create a chart that will show the won deals from our deals CRM versus uh, the target based on our preference. So in SEO Analytics, if your monthly target values aren't coming from an existing data source or you don't have a specific target from your data source in CRM, you'll need to manually maintain them as a static spreadsheet table. So just like a spreadsheet table like this one that shows the target month and the monthly target, each row is 1 month. So it represents the month and the uh, target based on your preference. And then so when we uploaded or imported these in our Soho Analytics, so right here we have already uploaded it. So you can update here. You can keep adding future months and keep update this data for each row. You can see that you can input another target month and another monthly target. So what we're going to do next is we will create a query table. So this we will write a SQL query that reads from the spreadsheet and joins with your data here in your CRM. And so this is where the magic happens. The query matches each target month to its corresponding close won deal totals, giving you a clean side-by-side view of target versus actual. So uh, from this moment, you cannot yet imagine it, but when we go through the steps, we we will show you how uh, we can really visualize a clean chart that shows the won deals from your CRM versus the targets for the future months that your business or your CRM goal. Okay, so let's start creating the query SQL line by line. So in here in your right side, you need to prepare the sales target table. So in each line, the first line should have the word select. Okay, so the first line is the target month. So we get it from here. We did get it from this um, sales data or the data. It's this one, the target month, and next is the monthly target. So we are getting the monthly target value from the sales target table, and it will be renamed to target that will be displayed as column. So next line is here. So we will get the total amount of close won deals for that amount. So in this word, if null, it says that if no deals were won that month, it returns 0 instead of blank. Okay, so next line is if null the total won deals 0, it it will display 0 and not blank. And so we will add the from or the main source that that the source will be this sales target. Okay, so this one. And next line is we're going to left join the subquery by the aggregating the CRM deals. So let's add that line, left join, and add these lines. So by adding these lines, from each deal, extract the year and month from the closing date separately so we can group and match by month later. And next is we can add this line that adds up the total deal amount for all close won deals in that year or month group. And next line is this will count how many deals were close won in that year or month group. That will be coming from the next line, which is the uh, from the Soho CRM deals. That will be table alias as D. And next here is next line is the filtering that will include the deals that are close one and ignoring the open, loss, or any other stages. It's just the close one. And we will now group it by year and month, especially by the closing date. So we will group all the filter deals by year and month, so the sum and count are calculated per month based on the closing date. And we will now connecting the target to the deals using this line. So the sub query result is alias as WD. This links each row in sales target to the matching deals totals by comparing year and months from both sides. And lastly, for sorting the final output, we will order it by the target month. And we will now execute our query. So just click this button, execute query. So you can see that these are the first 10 rows from the query executed. So to view all rows, we will need to save this query. For example, this is the um, monthly target query. And just click save. Just select the designated folder for your query and just click OK. And so you can view this one. And from this query, now we were going to create the the chart. Yes, correct. So the chart that will show the one deal, the one deals versus the target. So to do that, you just wanna hit this add button to create new chart and select new chart. And you will be prompted by some guidelines that will be helpful for you uh, to create the chart accordingly and properly as you are following the standard way of doing it. So if you are a beginner in handling creating charts in the SOA Analytics, this would be very helpful for you. And so let's start dragging these datas, the corresponding datas, into your uh, X and Y axis. So from the table query, from the query table, the monthly target as the source. But this column, this is the current deal amount or the exact amount that you have here in the deals. So it fetches the January 2026. So because in here we only have um, 13 records for all January. That's why we don't have a one deal amount data in February because those are just sample datas. And so when we're going to start creating the chart, so the x-axis should be by month from the monthly target query table, So just select and select the month and year. And next is the target. So this is the target value for each month that we have in this sales target. Okay, and then we should select the max and normal. And next one is the one deal amount, and select max 2. And also before generating your graph, uh, provide a name for your chart. So one deal versus uh, monthly target, and let's generate it. And there we have it. So if we select this view mode, it will enlarge the view. So from in here, you can see that the first bar is the target, and this is the accumulated deal amount from the Soho CRM, and it's 35,000. And this one is the target, so it shows in currency, but our deal amount is not in currency yet. So that's the importance of having the sales target uh, data table, which I said that we can keep modifying it and keep adding some future months and targets. So in here, and sorry, it should be right here. So we need to change the deal amount data type. So for changing the data type, we should just right click here and select change data type. And from decimal number, we will replace it to currency. And if we go back to our chart, just click save and save it into the correct folder. So sales report, click OK and hit a refresh, and you can see that the before data type is changed to currency. And that's how you can create a one deal versus monthly target chart if you don't have a existing data source from your CRM. Thank you for watching the video, and hang on for more tutorial videos that will be helpful for your Soho analytics journey. Thank you for watching.